It's Sam with two M's.
And it's Nico.
And welcome to The
The
Ripples!
Ripples!
Yay! We're so happy to be back after a short break.
Very short break.
Yes, very short break. Masaya na kami. Masaya na kami.
Kailangan ma-miss.
Ng konti. Oh, as if naman di tayo nagkikita. Grabe.
Oo.
But yes, we're so excited to be back on The Ripple and even more so kasi we have very special guests for today who I haven't seen in a long time and finally nagkikita na tayo dito sa The Ripple. So everybody please welcome the Juan!
Yay!
What's
Hello,
up, everyone? Hello.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello
Sabi to Ans.
guys!
What's up, brother?
Kumusta?
We're super great.
Yun.
Super
Paano yung
good.
great?
Ito, yan. Hi, that's the great ratings.
Great.
Ratings from us.
Ganda
Oo,
ng
wala na akong
Ganda,
masabi.
oo,
Oo.
diba? Gandang
So,
buwelo talaga.
Oo.
Oo, yun na yung buong episode natin. Ganun na.
Yes, thank
Guys,
you. Watch,
Oo.
tune in again for the next
Oo.
episode.
Hit like and subscribe.
Oo,
Yeah.
yun talaga yun. Pero matagal na since the last time na... Actually, yung interview natin before, long time na. As in,
Yeah.
matagal na talaga. And matagal na din kayo magkakilala ni
Oo.
Nico.
Yung
Super.
isa sa mga first gigs namin as a band. Kasabi namin sila.
What?
Yeah, yes,
Debut or
yes,
something.
yes,
Kailan
yes,
yun?
yes.
What year?
2021. Basta after pandemic. Post-pandemic na rin.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
wow. It's a long time
You've
coming.
been.
Full
Been a
circle
long
moment
time.
dito sa The
True,
Ripple. So,
true.
kamusta mo kayo? What mga ganap niyo sa buhay these days?
Well, una sa lahat, we're very happy to be here.
Yes.
Glad to see all of you. Mix has been, kanina nga pagising ko this morning, I was thinking, grabe before pangarap lang namin na ma-involve even with Mix. I remember going to campuses nung Mix, what's this? Ano ba to?
Slam Jam.
Slam Jam.
That's
yes.
where we
Yeah,
first
yeah.
met.
Oh, na parang when we
Oo.
were starting, Mix was such like it's one of the markers that you've made it.
Mm-mm.
Diba? So
Mm.
being back here sa Mix just gives me a different feeling.
Yeah.
And we're very happy. We've been very active
Very.
the past months.
Mm-mm.
Right now we are going around. Actually, tong week na to, parang every day we are somewhere promoting our latest song. Still
This week din natin shoot yung collab.
Yeah, so we shot a music
Uy.
video. We did Showtime this week. We're still shooting a bunch of stuff until the end of the week,
Mm-mm.
and a magazine shoot by Sunday. So
Grabe.
it's quite a lot, but
Mm-mm.
we're enjoying it. We're living the time of our life. Naks. Huy, pwede kayo magsalita. Sayang yung mic.
Agree
Hello,
naman
hello.
daw sila. Oo.
Agree,
Agree.
Yes, yes.
Agree na naman
Agree.
daw sila. Yeah, but that's true, no? The Juan's very active. Actually, not just
Yeah.
recently. Ever since. Parang you always have a presence somewhere, like social media, music. You guys are very active sa mga ginagawa nyo, which is very difficult to do. And especially kasi we first met, di ba, tagal na 2018 or something. And you guys started before that pa. So, di ba? I mean, just
When you say it, it sounds so historical.
it is! Kasi life, you have to
70.
appreciate life.
Yeah,
Diba? And
yeah.
the time
No,
that we have.
everything before 2020 is another generation. na.
True.
Tama.
It's another time.
Grabe siya.
Uy,
Generation.
May
Sabi
magkaka-age lang kami.
Kami. Tayo.
Yes.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Inclusive tayo dito.
Yes. Not kami.
Except
It's-
si Sam.
Hey, we're not talking about age here. We're
Uh-huh.
talking about life.
Yes.
Diba? So yun nga, very active kayo, which is hard to do. But grabe nga kayo, parang very hardworking, sa mga ginagawa
Nuts.
ninyo.
So, promo-wise,
Oo.
as in kahit promo-wise, sobrang, parang alam mong may nangyayari sa kanila lagi. Kasi never magkaka-time na wala ka nakikitang ginagawa nyo.
Oo.
Sobrang hirap. As in, like, gets ko yun, sobrang hirap gawin nun. So,
Oo.
sobrang hands down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're
Thanks.
trying our best.
Yeah, and shout out to our social media team,
Oo.
Yeah.
our
Shout
content
out.
team. Grabe,
Yeah.
sila
Yeah.
naman talaga.
Grateful lang din kami na merong mga opportunities na
Mm-mm.
nagbibigay sa amin ng chance to promote our song, hear our message, ganun. Thankful kami sa kanila lahat.
Yeah.
And sa inyo,
Masali pa tayo.
Diba?
Oo. We're also thankful to you.
Oo.
So kayo
Honor.
naman, kamusta naman kayo?
Okay naman. Masaya kami kasi nandito kayo. And
Yes.
syempre, you know,
Best day in our life.
Oo, best day today. Best day today. Tama. And we're gonna talk about a lot of things. And syempre, pag-uusapan din natin yung music ninyo. But before that, I think throughout the years, nakikita din namin when it comes to music, different aspects of love din yung mga na-share nyo through your music. So, before that, let's do a little bit of we're gonna talk about topics in love.
Okay.
Nakikita ko yung mga content ninyo,
Topics.
ha? You guys are very, praktisado na kayo dito.
Easy lang yan.
Easy lang yan.
Yes,
So, we'll give you prompts and then you just tell us your thoughts about, these certain things in love.
You'll give,
Okay.
para kaming AI nito.
ChatGPT.
Ah. Bibigyan ng prompts.
prompts.
Dapat current, kaya nga prompts. Okay, so, the first one. Prompts nga talaga, no? Okay. So, this situation is having a crush on your friend but scared to ruin the friendship. So, very close kayo. Pero syempre, di ba pag may ganon,
Yeah.
medyo, sometimes you don't know, trip ba ako nito or something in a different sense. So,
pag nag-try ka ba,
Oo.
masisira yung friendship.
Ay!
Parang sometimes the friendship is too precious to break.
Oh.
Parang
Yeah.
ganun.
So, pag ganon, anong mga thoughts ninyo on that?
Well, ako personally, I'm a risk taker.
Ay.
So I will take that risk. But
Mm-mm.
also, I am fully aware that there are relationships that are better preserved in friendship
Mhm.
because not a lot of couples that don't work out end up as friends.
Yeah.
Mm.
Diba? So, may ganun talagang risk na, okay, pag hindi to nag-work, we may not be friends ever again.
Yeah. For sure.
Magiging awkward na.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Ako din ganun eh. Tingin ko, natutunan ko na parang pagsisihan ko na lang na ginawa ko kaysa hindi ko ginawa.
Oh.
Yeah.
May ganun ako minsan eh. Ayan.
Sa akin naman, ang naisip ko doon, parang ang hirap mag-act as a friend kung iba yung nararamdaman mo for that person. So, aaminin ko na lang kesa nag-a-assume ako na kada good thing na gagawin niya sa akin may meaning.
Mm-mm. Ay, totoo yan.
Oo, sobrang totoo yan.
Wow!
Oo nga.
Oo. Anyway.
Sa akin, balanse lang. Minsan, parang gusto mong mag-risk, pero minsan, ano rin talaga.
Mm-mm.
Parang gusto mong
Yeah.
i-preserve yung friendship.
Feel ko may levels nga rin
Oo.
siya nung risk-taking. Parang may risk na umamin ka dun sa person. Iba pa yung risk na actually i-pursue mo siya.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang pag gusto mo naman tao, you could tell them that you like them but not really like pursue that.
Yeah.
Pero that still changes the friendship regardless.
Yeah.
True.
Actually, that's true. And also, expectation-wise, no? If you just tell them, dapat also at the same time, wala kang expect
Oo.
na
Re-
i-reciprocate.
Yeah.
Ready ka
Okay
ng
ka lang.
sagot, diba?
Oo, ready ka kahit ano. Pero, yun na nga, very complicated siya. But I think, ang daming na nakaka-feel niyan. Very
Oo.
relate. Tinan nyo naman. Lahat tayo nag-react.
Lahat
Sabi na,
Oo. Actually,
Tama.
ako may isa pang thought eh.
okay,
Di ba
go.
may, sometimes there are people na alam natin sa sarili natin na talagang out of our league natin sila.
Yes.
And sometimes being friends with them is the best we could do.
Mm.
Or at least to our mind, na parang ito na yung pinaka-posible siguro, at least maging magkaibigan kami.
Close
Oo.
enough.
Or
Yeah.
enough na yun.
Oo, na parang okay na to kasi alam kong mahirap siya abutin.
Yes.
That
Tama.
happened to me a lot kasi. So
Ay,
parang,
taray.
pwede rin yun.
Sheesh.
Oh, but isn't it great na kahit na they're out of their league, they're into you pala. Wow. Yun
Wow.
yung best case scenario.
Yeah.
Yung scoring nito yung out of my league by Lainey.
Oo, yan.
Gumawa na tayo ng kwento. Anyway, the next prompt is LDR, long distance relationship.
Pass.
Pass ka sa long distance
Yeah.
relationship.
Ano ba? Pass or
Okay,
go?
pass or go. Pass or go.
Pass or go.
Pass or go?
Ano ka,
Pass or
toll
okay.
gate?
Pass or kung pwede. Oo.
Oo.
Nag-pass ka agad.
Oo, ako pass agad.
Bilis eh.
No, kasi I've tried LDR before.
Pwede or
Me
di tayo
too,
pwede. Yun dapat.
Yun nga.
Ah.
Pwede or di tayo.
pwede.
Pwede
Di
or
ta-
di pwede.
Di tayo pwede.
Oh.
Because I've tried LDR before. It
Mm-mm.
didn't end well.
Mm-mm.
So never again.
Sa akin pwede.
Yeah.
I think importante din kasi yung individuality. Even you're in a
Mm-mm.
relationship.
Mm.
So, ganun ko siya titignan na she's building her life, ganyan. Pero, number one pa rin yung communication. Yun.
Aha.
Tama. Tama.
Saan siguro pwedeng itry? Kasi hindi ko pa na-try.
Curious lang ba?
Curious.
Experiment.
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Malay mo mag-work.
Oo, baka naman, di ba?
Sa akin depende. Pwedeng LDR pero makikita naman kayo once in a while.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
So pwede rin siguro yun.
Hindi naman yung years.
Siguro pag mga years na or parang 6 months, mga ganun katagal,
Ay.
parang ang hirap talaga.
Oo.
And gusto ko lang din i-echo yung sinabi ni Kael na parang kung LDR siguro, mas focus talaga sa growth ng
Mm.
individual, mas more on supporting each other,
Mm-mm.
ganun.
Yeah.
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 That's true. I think it depends din sa tao eh. Ano ba
Yeah.
yung love language mo? Yung mga ganun. Kasi diba, those are important. And
Lalo na kung physical touch yung
Oo,
love language.
hirap
yun
mo.
na
nun.
nga.
Yeah.
Mahirap
Yeah.
talaga yun.
Yeah.
So, that's when you
Saka
have...
yung individuality kahit tanggap mo siya as a couple,
Mm-mm.
parang masarap pa rin siya na choice nyo yung individuality. Na parang hindi
Yes.
siya,
Hindi forced.
hindi force na wala kang
Ah,
choice eh. Di
oo.
talaga kayo magkikita eh.
Ah.
Yung parang you can have your life together pag gusto nyo at pag hindi nyo gusto, pwede kayong individual. Pero LDR parang, yun
Yeah.
nga. Lalo pag physical touch.
Yeah.
Same eh. Ganun.
Ah.
Parang,
And
gagawin ko.
mhm. And depends din siguro sa season. Like, kunwari,
Yeah.
siguro si Carl, gusto niya mag-focus muna siya sa growth niya bago siya
Work.
pumasok sa
Oh.
relationship, di ba?
Mm.
Or may mga tao din naman na parang okay sa relationship, tapos sabay sila mag-grow.
That's true. Well, napaisip tuloy ako long distance. I guess it depends din sa people din. Kasi parang before, nagkwento. Pero ano ko na yun, na-experience ko na yung long distance in different countries. Parang
Okay.
pass ako doon.
So
Pero
hindi pwede.
Di ako
Hindi
pwede doon. Pero
What happened?
text ko na lang. Kwento ko na lang mamaya. Pero, like, for example, long distance, pero, for example, taga Bulacan kayo, di ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Boyfriend ko, taga
Yeah, taga
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
And then, I'm from,
Oh.
Manila. So, medyo long distance din yun. Hindi kami palagi nagkikita. So, pero kaya naman. Yeah. So, it really depends.
Yung kaya mag once a week at least.
Oo, yung on the dynamic siguro. Iba din
Yeah,
per
mhm.
person. So, yun. Period. Okay, next. Sino
Next.
dapat naunang nag-first move, babae or lalaki? Oh, this is a topic of conversation these days.
Yeah.
Diba?
Tricky.
Who wants to go first?
Very tricky.
So sa ating apat, sino mag-first move?
Yun.
Oo, sino mag-first move?
For
sa inyo?
me, as a man,
Mm-mm.
I think ako dapat yung mauna.
Mm-mm.
Kasi di ba sa panliligaw, ikaw, yung man talaga yung pinupursue yung
Yeah.
babae.
In
So
Filipino tradition,
in
ah.
Filipino
Yeah.
tradition. So
Mm.
ako yun.
Mm-mm. Si RJ siya.
Ako, para maiba lang. I feel like in this time and age, people are more open
Mm.
and we are now more aware that at the end of the day, we're all just humans.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And we all have the same need for affection and recognition.
Yeah.
I just feel like there could be two different expressions of that.
Mhm.
So, kanyari for guys, yung initial na, aamin ako sa'yo, gusto kita, whatever,
Mhm.
that's like typical. But it doesn't also limit women from
Mhm.
expressing
Uh-huh.
an interest.
Yes.
Because there are many ways to express that you like a person.
Mhm.
And I feel like I imagine a society wherein women are allowed to express their interest
Mhm.
without stigma na parang grabe naman to, Gina naman to sa akin. Or
Oo.
parang, alam mo yun, or nakaka-turn off, ganyan.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi pwede naman nangyari, ikaw yung girl yung nagbigay ng signal.
Yeah.
Tapos yung since parang nag-gets nung guy,
Oo.
Yeah,
pinursue
Parang
niya.
kumbaga green light lang yun
honestly.
nabigay.
yes.
Oo.
And in that sense, that's still the first move.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Actually-
regardless, kahit
Honestly.
actual first move, parang,
Oo. Like, as a girl,
yeah.
me.
Wow.
Minsan, yung
Talaga?
experience ko sa boys, medyo dense sila minsan. Yung in my experience, not
Yeah.
all boys are dense. Not all.
But
Just
a lot
saying.
are.
Siya nagsabi, di
Joke
ako.
lang.
Pero in my experience, may mga ganun. Na parang kahit trip mo sila, parang hindi nila gets na trip mo sila. So, you have to kind of also, it's a two-way street, di ba? Syempre,
True.
Yeah.
you have to both express interest for anything to happen. Kung isa lang yung gagalaw, syempre, wala naman mangyayari. So, ganon. Yeah. Yun
Yeah.
lang naman. Anyway.
Ako same kay Carl. Ano na tayo? Open na tayo to express ourselves, ganyan. Kaya either way, kung babae o lalaki mag-first move, pwede na yun.
Yeah.
Pwede yun.
Yun na yun. Yes.
Pwede.
Yes,
Yes.
pwede. I agree.
yes. Sa akin din, I agree na yung sa mga unang stage, okay lang kahit sino. Pero siguro kung mag-push yung relationship, ako mas prefer ko na parang yung lalaki yung mas nagli-lead sa relationship.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Interesting. Different dynamics
Yeah.
then, no? I think everybody has their own, yung mga gusto nila or hanap nila in a relationship, which is very interesting. And I think the last one we're gonna talk about is, feeling ko very fit din naman sa mga nangyayari ngayon, is situationships, di ba?
Oh.
So, eto na nga.
Yeah.
Eto na
di ba? Very, ano yung situationship? Even the term situationship, parang wala pa yung term na yun, like, how many years
During
ago?
your time, no?
Oo.
Oh.
During
MU
my
pa.
time, no? Kapal mo, ah.
Parang before MU kasi.
Oo.
MU.
Not,
Not
MU.
even.
Iba pa siya eh.
Iba yung MU sa situationship,
At
diba?
least
Parang,
MU merong malinaw na, uy, gusto kita, gusto
Yeah.
mo.
Situationship medyo
Ano?
malabo.
Malabo
Oo.
talaga.
Oh, so what are your thoughts on situationships? They exist.
I think it's more common than we talk about it.
Yeah.
Because the thing about situationships, they're also, more often than not, these are relationships that are in secret.
Mm.
So therefore, not a lot of people talk about it
Yeah.
in the public. Kasi
Mm-mm.
nga parang, if it's a situationship, normally one person or both of you are unwilling to commit or to give clarity to what's happening,
Oo.
but you're there for the fun, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung you enjoy the limbo of ambiguity.
Yes.
And because of that, you also tend to just keep it a secret.
Mm-mm.
Because pag kinuwento mo to, merong kang kaibigan na tutuktukan ka na, hoy, ano yung ginagawa niyo, di ba? So, pag ayaw mo nang may nangingialam, situationship na lang.
Mm-mm.
Parang ganun.
That's true. But I think what's interesting is usually pag situationship, when you start something, I don't know I wouldn't know, but I mean, di ba, parang you just find yourself there
Yeah.
out of nowhere.
It's
Alam
not
mo yun?
something you choose to be in.
Oo, parang nangyayari lang siya. And then you realize,
What is this?
Oo.
Where am I?
Yeah, which is a weird feeling.
Feel ko more often than not nanggagaling yung situationship sa parang relationship sa merong isang nag-expect. Tapos merong isang hindi naman willing. So parang you find yourself 3 months after na parang, oh, tagal ko na nakikiramdam kung ano bang intention mo sa akin.
Yeah, that's valid.
Parang yung sinasabi mo, yung isa parang normal lang sa kanya.
Oo.
Tapos yung isa parang nag-expect na pala something.
May kulay.
Ako naman yung idea ko about situationship. Parang I think part siya ng early phase ng dating.
Hindi ka pa sure.
Oo, na hindi ka pa
Oo,
sure.
oo.
So parang you're just getting to know the person.
Mm-mm.
And then parang yung situationship, pumapasok siya pag nagkakaroon ka na feelings for that person.
Mhm.
Eh since wala pang label, situationship siya, parang ganun.
Aha.
Yeah.
Kasi feeling mo or nag-a-assume ka din na parang may gusto rin sa'yo yung isang tao.
Mm-mm.
So unless para maging clear na kuwari kayo na,
Yeah.
parang situationship siya.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
That's true. Oo.
Sa akin naman, feeling ko lahat tayo dumaan doon
Yeah.
sa
For sure.
situationship.
Mm-mm.
Whether tayo yung nanghihingi ng clarity or tayo yung malabo.
Oo, hindi nagbibigay.
Yeah.
Once in our lives, napagdaanan natin yan. So, ang message sa mga nasa situationship, tatagan nyo lang.
Kasi may mga na-interview kami na ano yung
iba-ibang
tingin nila
tao.
sa situationship.
Oo.
Kapit lang.
Kapit lang.
Parang yung isang POV na narinig ko, parang wala daw talagang clear-cut na timing
Mm-mm.
kung kailan dapat magkaroon na ng label.
Ito, a proper
Parang iba-iba siya
relationship.
per tao.
Per
Oo.
person, yeah.
So parang minsan yung isa, hinihintay mo lang siya maging ready.
True. Oo.
Yung isa naman, willing naman. So paano mo siya sisisihin? Willing naman. Parang
Oo.
siya na yung naglagay.
Hindi na lang masabi.
Oo, hindi niya
lang
ganun.
masabi.
Oo.
So I think parang tama yung sinabi mo na
Tsaka key siguro yun, yung sinabi ni Sam na hindi mo masabi, dapat sabihin mo. Dapat i-communicate mo.
yeah.
Yun.
Yeah.
Feeling ko yun.
Tsaka may
any kind of relationship talaga, communication.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mas maigi na nai-express mo yung thoughts mo, nai-air out mo rin sa kanya. Yun.
Ako may ibang thoughts.
Ano yan?
Go. Okay, complex.
I'd like to contradict everything you're saying. Hindi, joke lang, joke lang.
Love
No,
that.
no, Nico made me think about this na, do you actually get into a situationship not knowing what you're doing or not being aware of it? And I'd like to present a case na I feel like any kind of relationship becomes a situationship when you start crossing the boundary of platonic friendship to doing something more outside of that.
Yeah.
Doing things that are done in the context of a committed relationship without the label and the commitment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when it becomes a situationship.
Yeah.
Na parang, okay, wait, bakit tayo nag-holding hands? Di pa naman tayo. Diba? Bakit nagsasabihan na tayo ng I love you pero di pa naman tayo. So I think when you cross that boundary and you do things that are done in the context of a committed relationship, that's when it actually becomes a situationship. Na parang, wait, ano ba to?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Share ko lang.
Tama.
Nice pa lang.
Oo.
Yeah.
Which is why nga, di ba, parang you find
Pakilagay na
yourself
po sa
there.
dictionary.
Oo, parang you just find yourself there randomly.
Yeah.
Parang nare-realize mo na lang siya na, uy, bakit ganito?
Yeah, and to your point,
Yeah.
I think, ang nangyayari, minsan, hindi naman ikaw eh. Minsan siya eh, na parang, wait, ano tong binibigay mo?
May
This is,
binibigay siya eh.
nakakajowa tong binibigay mo. Pero,
Exactly.
so,
Parang more often than not nga, para siyang physical advances na wala yung emotional advances of being in a relationship.
Galing. Galing na. Yeah.
Galing.
Oo.
So basically, kapag walang clarity,
yes.
situation.
Oo.
Malabo lang talaga. Yun lang
Malabo
talaga
siya.
yun.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's our thesis. I hope that
Yes.
thesis is defended.
Oo. Tapos,
We are
which,
the researchers.
tapos yung output, yung kanta nila, yun talaga yun. So we're gonna talk about, of course, the music then. I mean, we're talking about love. Syempre, we also have to talk about the music kasi it's a good companion to the experience of different experiences sa realm of relationships. But before we talk about syempre yung bago nyong kanta, we also want to talk about you guys kasi alongside the time passing, kayo din as people nag-grow kayo, and syempre as a group nag-grow din kayo. So kwento din kayo about how the Juans have evolved, especially in this era right now, no? Nakikita niyo na ba how your music has changed, how you have changed as a group and individuals?
Definitely. We are actually about to celebrate our 10th year
Wow.
Yes.
anniversary. So we're a few
Isang
months
dekada.
away from that. We are gearing towards something really major for us. But in this 10-year journey, there's a lot of growth and realization. But mainly, we have a renewed passion to really dive deep into our music and our songwriting. Because over the course of time, syempre, sa dami ng pinagdaanan, sa dami ng hype na dinaanan mo, 'di ba? Sa dami ng nauso tas nalaos, parang you get to have a deeper understanding na its longevity versus being hyped at a certain period of time. So, I think right now, more than any other time, our focus is the music. Our focus is the truth behind what we write, the purpose of why we write songs. And I feel like our era kasi there's a time when parang na-box kami, hindi man na-box, pero parang since lahat kami kumakanta, tas lahat kami pumaporma, parang, ano ba, boy band ba sila? Like, are they like, para ba tong NSYNC, ganon, na everybody's singing, everybody's good looking, ganyan. And that was like an identity struggle for us. Like, wait, ano ba tayo? Are we like pogi first and then we sing? Or are we like, we're a band who just happens to be blessed by the Lord, you know? And over time, our path to self-discovery led us to the realization that at the end of the day, we are storytellers. And our greatest strength is in the stories that we tell and the relatability of those stories. So I guess the Juans in 2025, we are a powerhouse storytellers and we tell our stories through our music and through our lives.
Wow. Period.
Amen.
No, pero gusto ko yung sinabi mong renewed passion. Kasi, yun nga, if you're celebrating 10 years very soon, I mean, anyone can relate. to be able to sustain that kind of passion, 'di ba? For what you do, I think is historic thing. Very historic siya. And I mean, and also, what you were saying, di ba, before nga, parang may image nga kayo dati na parang, ano ba sila, like boy band or banda, ano ba nangyayari? But I like that now, you're very, confident sa mga ginagawa ninyo. And sure na kayo yung sa path that the Juans are gonna take. And that makes it even more interesting to see what the big celebration will also be. Oo. Di ba? Oh. Walang thoughts.
Ang ganda ng sinabi niya eh.
Yeah. Speechless.
So, speechless ako.
Yeah.
Speechless siya.
Oo.
No, but that, I mean, yeah, that's true naman. Diba, we all aim for evolving. Okay mo. Evolving, not just as individuals, but, as a group then. So, ano ba yung parang nakikita nyong iba? Especially in the music, no? I'm sure, I mean, I see you guys sometimes mga concerts din. So, lumalawak din, I'm sure, yung mga ano ninyo, like, musical taste, musical interests, diba? So, kwento naman kayo about that.
Yung question ni Sam is, ano yung iba, di ba?
Mm.
Pero parang baliktad yung sagot namin. Kasi,
wow.
kasi
Good
parang
jobs.
sa 10 years na na-experience namin, yung sa 10 years na yun, doon kami nag-explore. Parang nagpadala kami sa mga trends na parang, baka ito yung magdadala sa atin sa taas. Parang gano'n. Parang, wala, nag-explore lang talaga kami. Like, ano ba yung kaya natin gawin? Ano ba yung kaya natin sundan? Pero, nag-end up na wala siyang magandang result. Well, siguro growth in a sense na siguro mas lumawak yung yung music music vocab namin. Tapos pero ngayong 10th year namin mas na-realize namin na dapat yung pinoproduce naming music is yung galing talaga sa puso namin para mas maging authentic talaga siya.
Actually, one thing na napansin ko dun sa latest release, tunog siyang quintessential The Ones.
I
As in,
agree.
kung ano yung roots nyo, na totoo naman na parang it sounds like you've been doing this for 10 years and that you've been through different elements, different types of music, different types of creativity in terms of how you present your music. Pero at the end of it all, tunog roots nyo talaga yung writing ng song, yung pagkalatag ng
Agree.
song.
So, mas ganun nga siya. Going back sa roots talaga.
Ganda.
That's so beautiful.
And speaking of roots, syempre, gusto rin namin magtanim sa music industry na parang, ito yung ilalapag namin, ito yung ambag namin sa music industry. Legacy, yeah.
And I like what Jap said. I just want to echo a little bit. Isn't that true in life na when you're young, you get to explore, but then as you mature, you also find the sweet spot and you settle. But also, what happens is whatever you settle on, you grow, you cultivate, and and that's the mark that you leave behind. So, in a sense, parang ganun din yung buhay namin as a group. Na after exploring, it's being sure of who we are. Kasi iba yung iba yung sasabihin lang sa'yo na, eto kayo, yun na yun.
Yeah.
Pero iba din yung inikot na namin lahat. Only to find out na, oo nga. Eto nga kami. So, I guess kung may difference man, it's a level of security. That we have there's a space that we are holding and there's an audience for that. And we're secured in that space. We don't need to parang, of course, we upgrade in terms of the quality of the sound, diba? If there's like a new flavor, we can add to it. But at the very core of the messaging, it's still the Juans relating to the ordinary Filipinos. What are they going through? We want to write a song about that.
And I'm sure you guys were less likely to have lasted 10 years kung hindi kayo nag-explore.
Yes.
Kasi if you guys were doing the same thing for 10 years, maliban dun sa listeners kayo rin eh.
Yeah.
Parang, if hindi, kumbaga kung may isang path, kung nag-stay kayo sa path na yun, kahit pag nagda-drive kayo, pag wala kang nililikuan, pag wala kang nakikita, parang yung 90 kilometers nakakaumay compared to kung kahit mag 90 kilometers ka ng paliko-liko, okay ka lang eh.
Makakatulog ka.
Yeah.
Oo. So, I guess, in terms of the industry rin naman, even the cycles of the genres, babalik at babalik dun sa 10 years ago na genre. So, yun
True.
kayo now.
It's a cycle.
Yeah,
Oo.
which is crazy to think about. Kasi syempre, you would think exploring would bring you to parang, I
A
guess,
completely
yeah, a
different
different kind of
destination.
destination. But that's why, like what you guys said, kasi parang it also makes you realize that the more that you explore, the more that you experience the world out there, there is a version of
Yeah.
you that is so authentically yourself na hindi mo ma-deny ever.
Aha.
Like, no matter what you do to hide it, no matter what you do to parang go against it, it will always want to come out.
And as artists, it's very easy to get lost in the thought of, uy,
Yeah.
gusto ko maging bigger, gusto ko
Mm.
maging evolved
Yeah.
version of myself, gusto ko mahanap kung ano pa talaga yung kaya kong gawin.
Yeah.
That's true.
Pero, babalik at babalik ka pa rin
Oh.
talaga dun.
Yeah. Pero to reach that, no, na realization na, oh my God, ito pala yung dapat kailangan kong gawin, or I have to stay true to myself. There are certain things that have to happen for you to realize that,
Yes.
diba?
Yeah.
So for you guys, ano ba yung moments na gano'n na parang na-realize ninyo na maybe we should, hone in more or continue to do this kind of music that we know ourselves to make?
It is an endless pursuit. Una, I just want to say that having the ability to explore is such a
Yes,
privilege.
for sure.
Because not every band, not every artist gets to have that space that they can actually explore. So I don't want to be naive talking about this. I know that
Yeah.
there are artists out there that they desire to explore, but the way the industry is set up, umpisa pa lang nakabox na sila na,
Yeah.
ito ka lang, period.
Yes.
Kung mamatay ka, ito ka. Parang
Ah.
ganun, di ba? So, una, that's a privilege, and we owe it to the industry, we owe it to our fans, we owe it to our management, to everyone na nakasama namin sa journey, that we were given that space to explore. Now, ano ba yung mga major turning points? I guess, ano kasi, after the era, nag-pandemic kasi.
Yeah.
So, ito survival mode.
Mm.
That was the game. How do you survive na wala naman live shows? So, nag-live stream kami sa maliit na studio namin. And then, we started, doon nagsimula yung parang everyday may programa kami. Kasi parang, we have to stay afloat. We have to be there, diba? So, doon namin na-cultivate yung discipline of always putting... showing up every single chance we get. Always showing up, always being out there. And then, lahat ng Zoom call.
Kita pa tayo sa Zoom call.
Exactly, di ba? Tapos, after that, yun na, parang when we felt na, okay, endorsements were coming in, tapos, unti-unti, nararating na namin yung mga venues na gusto namin tugtugan. It was a time na parang, okay, maybe we can explore a little bit. So we started writing English songs and then, exploring other themes as well. So, all of those things were important because that showed us our abilities, our ano ba yung kaya pa namin gawin. But at the same time, there's a level of awareness na ano bang nagiging epekto ng ginagawa natin sa mga listeners natin, sa mga wanistas. And I think one of the major checkpoint for us is when we really took time to listen to them. Now, what part of what we do is impactful to you? And then, so may level din of study, research, alam mo yun, social listening. So may gano'n din talaga na parang mayroon kami tinatawag na FGD, Focus Group Discussion. Wherein we have like a third party wherein they interviewed our fans and then mga insights. So parang kami, okay, so eto siya. So may unlearning, meron ding mga unlearning na parang, di ba, as a creative, as an artist, meron ka mga paniniwala na, di, ito siya eh. Pero eventually, matutunaw yun sa realidad na, okay, ito pala. So, there's a lot of humility involved. There's a lot of crushing. And there's a lot of humbling that happened. And there's a lot of learning. So, yun. And all of that led to a more realized, a more secure version of the Hans, I guess. Did that answer the question?
Yes, it did. No, kasi sometimes that's what you need eh. Sometimes also, such is the experience of life, diba? Parang there are things you want to achieve, gusto mong gawin. But there are also times na humble ka talaga, na parang you have to learn it in the hard way, diba? Na parang, I mean, which is normal, I guess. But to kind of take that and make something out of it is a different, not everybody is able to do, right? And we're happy na parang, yun nga, I love that you guys have all of these things na parang ginagawa ninyo. I'm kind of nerdy about stuff like that. Mga focus group discussion. You love to listen to other people. Listening in its whole thing is a different skill then, ha? As in listening and understand yung mga anong gusto ng tao and all of that. To take time to actually understand that, I think, is a whole next level thing.
Yeah, because as an artist, may tendency ka din talaga maging eccentric eh. Na parang it's all about you, it's all about what you like, your taste and stuff,
Yeah.
So, we're blessed na may mentors kami.
May
who-
reality checkers.
Oo, na nag-guide sa amin na,
Yeah.
this is not just about you.
Yeah.
Your music has to have purpose.
Mhm.
Ganyan. So, yun yung mga watch out talaga namin sa sarili namin. Because, if you wanna do music for yourself, you can do that in your own bedroom. Eh. Bakit ka pa mag-i-industry, di ba? So,
Yeah.
there has to be a bigger purpose than just stroking your artistic ego.
Mhm.
There has to be more. It has to be more than that. So, yun yung major, I think.
For sure. And I'm sure also the purpose also evolves through time. I mean, like, I guess it's still the same, but it evolves also. So for now, like in 2025, ano ba yung parang purpose ninyo as, a band or as artists or even as individuals? Like, what have you realized recently na yun yung gusto niyo?
Purpose namin, yumaman. De, joke lang.
In this economy?
Lahat naman tayo.
True naman.
Eto, share ko lang. Interesting insight. Meron kasi kaming I think, may dalawang mukha yung The
Mhm.
Ones. There's, yung pinaka-common is, okay, sila yung hugot people. Sila yung, okay, pag heartbreak The Ones yung pakinggan ko, right?
Mm-mm.
But also, there's a facet wherein, they wanna be inspirational. They wanna inspire the ordinary who want to dream, to believe, especially people that are in the far-flung areas of the country na, kasi di ba parang, meron tayong mentality bilang mga Pilipino na kung gusto mong maging successful, magmamaynila ka, kailangan connected ka sa industriya or may pamilya kang politiko, mga ganyan, di ba? May kamag-anak kang artista to make it in the industry. So may dalawa siyang facets and I feel like there's also, at least for me on a personal level, there's also a challenge of how do I merge that into just one identity.
Yeah.
Diba? Para kasi magkaiba yun eh. Meron kang, philanthropic, inspirational side, but also the hugot, real talk, medyo mas candid side.
Yes.
So how do you merge that? So over the course of time, I guess the journey was how do you use someone's heartbreak to inspire them to live the life that they deserve. Right? So, and this started unlocking when we were doing live shows and we would tell people, you know what, when you let go of the things that are not for you, then you will be free to accept the things that are actually for you. And we went as far as realizing while also telling people na, alam mo, your dreams are too precious to be wasting your life with a person that doesn't see your value. Parang ganyan. So there's actually a sweet spot where those two are
Natahi.
tahi, intertwined
Tahi
sila.
siya.
Yeah.
Because your heart is also directly proportional to your direction. Diba? Where your heart is, that's where you'll go.
Yes.
So I guess that's the beauty of the platform that we have. So we get to speak about heartbreak, but we also get to suggest a direction where that pain will go. Because I believe every pain has a purpose.
Yes.
And I guess our difference is we don't just want to talk about the pain. We want to point them to the next steps, which is healing. And after healing, then it's pursuing your dream. Yeah, and you bloom from sabi nga namin, from hugot to healing.
Yeah.
So if I were to summarize what's the purpose of the Hawans, that's it, to create music that will relate to people, that will uplift them, not just comfort them, but uplift them. Now, okay, you're here. Yes, we know, we understand, we see you, but also, hey, this is not the end of the journey. We want to uplift you, and we want you to be someone you will be proud of in the future.
Actually, hearing all of that. Kasi parang lahat tayo kilala natin The Ones as yun nga. It's either yung sa hugot or yung sa inspirational side. But I think one thing that you don't give yourself enough credit for is how you put up a really good show. And that makes it easy for you guys to parang relay that message. Kung kahit anong message, kunyari yung either or, parang nabibigay niyo sa tao ng tama. Kasi every time I watch you guys, ang ganda ng tunog, ang ganda ng lighting.
Thank you.
The way you guys create the flow for the show, ang ganda. Basta lahat excellent.
Yeah.
Na feeling ko, as artists, especially as people who not only make music in the studio, but also perform on the bigger stages, baka isang malaking bagay rin talaga yun for you guys. Sa parang, kaya ang dali maniwala sa kanta ng The Ones is dahil kaya nilang i-present sa amin ng gantong way. Kasi as in promise, every time napapanood ko kayo na-appreciate, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung excellence ng lahat. Tunog, hands down.
Thank you.
Thank
brother.
you. Thank you.
No, I was
Thank
gonna
you,
say
thank
the same thing. Na parang, hearing you talk about it now, yung parang, it made sense of everything na ginagawa niyo, especially in the last 10 years. Parang nakita namin how that mindset is what we can see from the Juans. And I totally agree. Each time I've seen you guys perform, ever since, nakikita ko kung gaano kayo invested into not just the show, but the people who are there, Juanistas or not. You make them feel part of everything. Very intentional yung mga ginagawa ninyo. Again, which goes back to the fact, which is why people get to relate to the music. Kasi feel nila na real talaga yung mga experiences ninyo, which all of us can definitely relate to. And I think hearing you talk about it now, it makes so much sense. As in, just bringing the two together. And I like that you said na it doesn't stop at just the heartbreak, the pain, right? Kasi I like that you said like pain can bring you somewhere. It can be a motivator. It can be something to push you forward. And I like that you guys are intentional about that with your music. Kasi I mean, music is one of the most powerful things ever. And to have that kind of purpose that you see for yourself and your group, grabe. I think it makes so much sense now to all of us. And that's why we're excited na yung bagong release ninyo, Ano Ba Talaga Tayo, is here. Yeah. Okay. So parang sobrang saya ko naman, no? For such a interesting topic, no? So, kwento tayo about this song because we've been talking around it but not about it, no? So, kwento naman kayo how, ano ba yung backstory of this song?
So, initially, yung Ano Ba Talaga Tayo na phrase, idea ko siya. So, anong nangyari? Meron kami kasing parang annual na songwriting camp. Tapos, this year, ginanap yun sa Baguio. And then, we were asked to present yung mga ideas namin. Not even a song. Ideas lang or chorus na nasulat. And then, hooks, ganun. And then, I tried playing it sa acoustic guitar. Pinarinig ko sa kanila. Ito yung thought ko. Tapos, Jap said na super...
Sabi ko, ang ganda niyan. Ang lakas ng recall niyan.
Parang catchy.
Gawin na natin yan.
Wow,
Gina G ako na.
Yeah. So, doon namin siya binuo na whole song. Yung lyrics and all. Pati instrumentation doon na. And then yun. Doon na siya nabuo sa Baguio.
Wow.
Yeah, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamabilis na song na nagawa namin together. Parang pagka-present ni RJ, gabi yun eh. Kinabukasan, yun na.
Yeah.
Napuan na namin. Tapos natapos na namin siya.
Iyon yung almusal namin ni RJ nung naalala mo. Parang may nasulat siyang verses na eh. Goods na. Pero need lang ng mga konting tweaks sa words, mga ganun.
So before yung actual group session, parang tinulungan na yung Japs ayusin yung thoughts ko. Tapos para mas madali pag dinala sa group na magdadagdag na lang. Ganun. Refining na lang.
Gusto ko, the phrase itself, no, is already very,
Strong.
And a lot of people can relate to it, diba?
Yeah.
So for you guys, why do you think parang ang dali lang niyang gawin, like this song? Like, what about it?
I think kanina sa conversation natin, it's very relatable. And so I think meron rin kaming mga personal experiences. And sabi mo nga, very the ones yung Ano Ba Talaga Tayo. So, kumbaga may part sa amin na may familiarity dun sa theme na yun. Sa topic na yun. And so, parang nag-flow lang talaga. And also yung environment din na parang very creative, lahat very open sa ideas. And so, marami siyang back and forths talaga. Kaya nabuo siya agad.
same headspace kayo.
Yeah.
Feeling ko at that time. Feeling ko?
Yeah.
Nandun ako.
Oo.
Kasi
Nasa
for
zone.
context, anong nangyari before that, parang muna kami, nag-vision board kami. Individually and
so,
nasa group.
Ano nasa vision board ninyo?
Marami.
abs.
Mga personal goals.
Oh, may abs talaga ako dun.
Mga goals sa fitness.
Ganun
mga
talaga. Like
goals-
personal.
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 Oo.
Ang saya naman.
Yes.
Oo.
Parang 5-day na ano siya.
Parang retreat.
Oo,
retreat siya.
retreat.
Pero yung first 3 days, bonding lang.
Harutan lang.
harutan.
Walang
Oo.
open circle, gano'n. Open circle.
Nagano kasi kami noon, yung first day, parang Christmas party, New Year's party kasi hindi
New
kami
Year's.
nakapag-bonding
January
nung December kasi
Oo.
maraming work
Okay.
eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
So it came from bonding and conversation.
Mm-mm.
Kaya nag-flow na lang nung nag-songwriting.
Oh yes, warmed up na.
Warmed up
For
na.
the task.
Yung process nyo ba dito? Sorry, biglang tumalon din sa proseso. Eh.
Go.
Go.
Okay, go.
Yung proseso nyo ba as a band? Kasi very lyrical kayong magsulat. So, most often than not ba, naka-lyrics first kayo? Or latag? Kasi producers din kayo. So, I know that feeling na when you're a producer, it's hard to write a song without putting yung buong latag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how is the process?
Actually, yung setup namin doon, may band setup kami
Aha.
doon sa songwriting camp. So, specifically for this one, kasama na yung, okay, anong chords nito? May melody na to.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mas more on parang ina-audition mo per line. Ganun.
Gets,
Tapos
gets.
parang, yeah, okay, that works. Ganyan.
Parang sa utak ni Japs, parang ina-arrange
Oh,
niya
may
na
producer
Ah.
brain ka na.
Pinaproduce niya na sa
Producer
utak
ka.
niya.
Tapos may melody guy ka, may word guy ka,
Ah.
ganyan. So, it's,
So para mas madali mag-filter out ano yung papasok.
yeah.
dun sa-
Yeah. Pero ang napansin ko lang sa process namin sa 10 years, important talaga yung concept muna.
Mm.
Tapos, since may concept ka na,
Story.
parang madali mo na hugutin yung mga ideas.
No,
Words.
sonically,
Oo,
sa melodically,
oo.
kailangan match dun sa concept.
Yeah.
eh.
Yeah.
And I
Parang
think it comes with ano muna yung what are you naturally gifted with.
Mm.
So kunyari, if it's
Yes.
easy for us to create
Yeah, oo.
progressions, it's easy for us to create melody.
Yeah.
So that's why we can just have that as part of our arsenal when we actually write.
Yeah,
Parang
galing nun.
automatic na siya na nandun na yung melody nun tsaka chords nun habang
Yes.
sinusulat mo pa lang yung letra.
Ang galing nun. Kasi
Oo.
parang ang daming proseso mo pang kailangan pag gusto mo
Oo.
pagsabay-sabay, no? So,
Yeah.
it's good na
Saka ang daming, kunyari, ako writer. Tapos nakita ko, uy, ang galing, nagsulat siya ng naka-acoustic lang siya. Tapos nagawa niya yung buong kanta. Pero hindi ako gifted like that. So parang ang dali ipilit yung sarili na parang, uy, gusto ko makasulat din ako ng ganyan. Pero walang
Yeah.
lalabas.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanyang
Ganda
ano
nga nun.
talaga siya
Oo,
eh.
ang ganda
Kumbaga
nga
may
nun.
pathway ka to
Yeah.
your creative
Oo,
zone.
na dapat i-honor mo yung na
Yes.
ito yung gift
That's the
ko
word,
for
yeah.
that.
You
And
have to
babalik
honor
din
it.
ako dun sa sinabi mo kanina na since we're storytellers, ano yung story na gusto natin ikwento?
Oo.
Kasi dun din namin parang pinag-usapan yun na we're storytellers first. Dun sa
Aha.
conversation na yun. And so, yung question is, what story do we want people to hear?
Yeah.
Or ano yung pinaka nakaka-relate yung mga tao nowadays? Ganun. So, dun siya. Kaya siya nag-flow lang.
And I think that's a very the Juan's attribute na storyteller kayo. I mean, through the music. Just the feeling of the music. And
May-
of
may
course,
first line premise
yeah,
agad.
lyrics.
Oo.
As in lyrics. If you read the lyrics, parang
Oo.
talaga siyang kwento. Which I think is very quintessential the Juans. So, ano ba yung...
Quintessential.
big words tayo dito.
Big
Okay.
words.
Prompts.
Oo.
But so, ano yung kwento na gusto nyo ihatid with this new single?
You know, the thing about this song, and I keep talking about this, it's not prescribing a solution. It's not saying, you should seek for clarity or, you should just walk away.
Mm.
But it's merely telling people that, again, in the context na maraming situationship ang sikreto. So therefore, when you face that confusion, when you start feeling yung conflicting emotion na gusto ko siya pero ang labo nito, most likely that happens in private. That happens na parang hindi mo makwento sa kaibigan mo, hindi mo ma-share. So we want ano ba talaga tayo to be the song that will be your companion in your secret space, in your alone time, in the time when you're questioning everything and you don't have anyone to talk
To talk to
to talk to about.
Oo.
ito yung song na magsasabi sa'yo na, uy, gets ka namin.
Uh-huh.
Napunta na rin kami dyan. Mahirap nga yan. So let me hug you with this song. Let me make you feel that you are seen and that what you're going through is something that other people go through as well. You're not weird for being in a situationship.
Yeah.
You're not broken.
It's not bad also. Na
So it's more of saying me too than do this, do that.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah. Parang di ba, as musicians, yung mga kanta natin, parang pag pinapakinggan siya ng tao, napupunta yung tao sa meditative state.
Yeah.
And nakakapag-muni-muni sila.
Yeah.
Siguro, parang ganun. Gusto namin yung song na to maging companion and friend nila sa season nila na to. And we hope na, ayun nga, makapag-muni-muni sila and we hope na maging positive naman yung maisip nila. And malaman nila yung value
Nalunod
nila.
lang sa sad thoughts eh.
Even more so.
So parang ganun.
No, I mean, go.
Parang naisip ko doon, kaya open-ended lang yung song kasi we want na dun sa makikinig na sila yung mag-act on it. Kung meaning, parang i-confront ba nila or they're gonna walk away, sila bahala. Kung saan sila may peace. Ganun.
Yes.
Yeah. It's tears lang yung
Para lang mapunta ka dun sa ganong headspace.
Bongga, may ganon. Like, complexity.
Masochist eh.
Very dimension yung yung kanta. And I mean, even I've been in a relationship for 6 years. Even when I listen to the song, it kind of just reminds you of that feeling. Alam mo yun? Kahit wala akong mga problema. Pero
okay naman ako.
Okay naman ako. Pero, di ba, that's the power of music. And I think that's exactly it. You make people feel seen, no, in situations like this where they feel like they can't talk about it. I mean, tama naman yung sinabi ni Carl na parang minsan when you're in a situationship, there is that aspect na you don't want to talk about it. Kasi, I don't know, you feel embarrassed, you feel, bakit ba nangyayari ito sa akin? Diba? But to have you guys, to see
Kayo yung friend.
Oo, kayo yung friend. Oo.
Kami yung real talk friend. Yung sasabihin sa iyo, ayaw mo marinig.
Which is good. Kailangan natin
Medyo
ng mga
aanga-anga
ganun.
ka.
Oo. Kailangan natin
Sila
ng
yun.
ganun. Oo. But yun na nga, sabi nila, it's still up to you.
Yeah.
Which is a good lesson in life. Na
Yeah.
lahat ng ginagawa natin, choice natin yon. Hindi yun choice ng iba. Wow. Real talk daw real talk. So, that's true. So, I love that you guys were able to release this and you even just came out with a collab. Diba?
Yes.
Very exciting with Janine.
Yeah.
Berdine.
Janine
So,
Berdine.
kwento naman kayo about this, also with Janine Berdine.
Oh,
This
okay.
version.
Grabe.
Ibang klaseng nilalang po yung
Yeah,
Janine
grabe
Berdine is
talaga.
amazing.
So, I remember nung inaareglo ko yung arrangement because we know that it's gonna be a girl. So, nag-change key pa kami and everything. But when she stepped in dun sa studio, she's like, I kind of want to retain your key because I know that there's more yearning in my voice. There's more pain if I sing it in your key. Mga ganyan. So, may mga ganun siyang insights na parang, talaga ba? So, parang dali-dali on the spot, we had to rearrange the key kasi parang, okay, shucks, papalitan natin ulit, ganyan. But when she showed up, she has a demo
Nag-record siya.
Grabe.
of how
Sobrang prepared.
she wants to approach it. So parang, di ba, wala ka na din talaga magagawa kasi parang, ay, may demo na to. So parang, she literally gave it a new life.
Yeah.
And hindi siya yung parang,
Literal talaga na collab.
yeah, na parang even if hindi naman niya pinilitan yung words, just yung atake niya is iba. So,
iba si Janine.
it was a teaching moment for me na okay, may mga artists talaga na alam nila yung gusto nila. And they will pursue it. Even nung recording parang nauuna na siya mag-apologize na, magsasorry na ako gusto ko maraming stacks. Ganun.
Yeah.
And-
Which is a very bold move being the artist na sumasampa into
Yes.
another person's song, into another group
Mm.
song. Parang, ang ganda nung tapang niya, which
True.
shows kung gaano ka-strong yung ano niya
Yeah.
as an artist.
And that's why we're so excited for people to hear this collab because she gave it such weight
Yeah.
and different texture. Even vocally, iba yung texture ng boses ni Janine.
Yeah.
So imagine her
Raspiness.
raspiness
Yes, medyo rock.
doing an octave higher than what we do. And then when we shifted to the female key, she was also doing an octave higher of that female key.
Wow.
So may mga...
Ito yung song na ayaw magpakanta sa karaoke.
Oo.
Parang ito yung damdamin mo lang, makinig ka lang.
Oo.
Ah.
Shut up ka na lang.
Makinig
Gano'n.
ka lang.
Feeling ko ito yung magiging challenge sa mga biritera ng mga next generation. Na pag abot mo to, pwede ka nang sumali sa tawag ng tanghalan.
TNT na to.
Yeah.
Pwede ka sumunod sa
Sa
kanila.
Yes.
I also wanna say, gusto ko lang i-commend si Japs and Kuya Carl for being open. Kasi sila talaga mainly nag-arrange eh. So, anong nangyari sa process, Kuya Carl yung naglatag ng keys and stuff. Tapos si Japs yung nag-produce lahat ng mga elements together with Bryle.
Right.
Tapos,
Ni Brel?
na-amaze ako sa kanila. Naging open lang sila sa gusto ni Junin. Kasi 'di ba usually yung ibang artist parang ito yung gusto ko eh, parang ganun. Pero naging open sila. Kaya na-amaze ako na nagganon yung kinalabasan niya kasi lahat open lang sa ideas. Open lang na sige, maganda yung idea na yan.
Yeah. And syempre as producers, parang dapat lang na welcome ka kasi
Yeah.
syempre ikaw talaga yung bubuhay dun sa idea ng artist. Kasi kumbaga tayo yung tutulong na ma-express
Vessel.
nila fully yung nasa isip nila. Kasi syempre as yung ibang artist naman talaga strength lang nila is singing, songwriting, yung pag-produce ng music medyo syempre complicated siya. So ayun na yung role as natin as producers.
Galing.
And you guys did a great job. I mean,
And shoutout din, syempre, kay Janine.
Yeah.
Na sobrang accommodating, sobrang fun lang, sobrang
Fun lang.
ka-work.
Yes.
Pati sa shoot eh. Sobrang
Saya niya.
smooth lang ng shoot kasi game lang lahat. Game siya.
Tawanan lang kami.
Tawanan lang.
Janine!
Tapos yung mga expression niya talagang nakaka-pro.
Great.
Oo.
So pro.
Galing.
Yeah.
As in, very,
Nakaka-pro.
that's my comment about Janine Berdine. Very pro talaga siya sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Alam niya na yung,
Nilalamon lang siya nung ginagawa
yeah,
niya.
like, alam niya na yung gagawin niya, paano niya gagawin. And it is
Yeah.
expressed so well.
Super humble pa.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Super
And
humble.
kaya rin namin
Galing.
naisip si Janine
Yeah,
yung makakolab namin kasi meron siyang diba, situationship.
Situationship.
So siya talaga yung perfect
Sakto.
for this.
Oo nga.
Wow, parang multiverse.
Yeah.
Itinawid niya yung
Nakaganon.
sitwasyon.
That's the Spider-Man.
Abangan niyo yung content. May content yun eh.
Okay. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out for that. And syempre, sa lahat po ng gagawin the Juans because you guys are gonna be celebrating 10 years. Grabe.
Yes.
Nag-sink in na ba sa inyo na 10 years na?
Medyo nag-sink in na kasi medyo sumasakit na.
Siya din eh.
Pag live shows, no? Pag sunod-sunod.
Oh my God, oo. Iba din yung pagod, no? Like physically,
Yes.
for sure.
Oo.
Oo.
Ako daw makarelate kasi
Wow.
21 lang
Very
ako
young.
eh.
Oo.
Wow.
The youth,
Joke lang.
no?
Oo. Fountain of Youth.
Fountain of youth.
Nahanap ko,
talaga.
nasa Quiapo po.
Wow.
Uy.
Ano ba yan?
Bakit?
Anyway, so ano ba pwede namin expect, di ba? You're celebrating 10 years. How have you been preparing?
Okay, so we are gearing up toward releasing an album
Yeah.
for our 10th year anniversary. Hindi naman na siya sikreto.
Mm-mm.
So itong ano balat talaga tayo is just an intro
Mhm.
to a whole new universe that we're trying to finish and polish. There will be new stories. There will be, I guess, checkpoint.
Mhm.
It's a checkpoint. It's asking ourselves, nasan ba ako as a person? And I wanna write from a place of where I am presently.
Mhm.
So, and there are songs that are so raw. I remember one time na may pinarinig ko yung sabi niya, sobrang totoo naman ito, sobrang honest naman ito. Parang sure ba kayo? Parang ganun. It's so honest. So expect that kind of authenticity from us in a time we're not trying to be anyone. We're just trying to be ourselves. So yeah, an album is coming up, and many more things that we hope we can announce, but we can't announce yet. But watch out for that. Watch out for the big things that are happening. Big rocks to be released around
Mag-rock
September.
album sila.
Uy.
Yun, yun.
Pala yung big rock.
Yun.
Big rock.
Doon
no?
pala yung hint.
Yeah.
Gusto ko rin sabihin na meron lalabas din na performance video with Janine Berdine ng Ano Ba Talaga Tayo.
Yay.
And also, I just want to say na meron ding song film yung Ano Ba Talaga Tayo featuring Miles and Elijah. So, if
Si
you...
John yung nag-ganyan, di ba?
Yeah, directed by John Manalo.
Manalo.
So if you guys have time, please do watch that. Super, ano siya, emotional and heartfelt yung
And
song film
cinematic.
na yun. And cinematic.
Cinematic.
Direct John, thank you.
Go, John.
Go, John.
Hehe.
I love that. So we
Bestie.
have so many things to expect from the Juans, and I'm sure ang dami pa nilang plano. O, di ba nag-uusap na sila ngayon? We're happy that the 10 years were very historic.
Mhm.
We can't wait for the next 10 years. At taray ng next 10
Mm.
years. Na-imagine nyo na ba yun? Next
Yes.
10 years.
Shots
Yes.
sa pan eh.
Tapos
Ano na itsura ko na?
Yes.
Yes.
Na-imagine nyo na. So, I mean, that's good. It's always good to have that kind of mindset, diba? We don't know where life will take us, but it's
Yeah.
always good to have that mindset. So, may message kayo, ba kayo, to all of the Juanistas, of course, who, you know, stayed with you throughout the 10 years, even the new ones, you know, who maybe just arrived, joined
Ones.
recently.
Yeah. Well, we are super, super grateful to all our Juanistas and to all our listeners all over the world. Maraming salamat po dahil you give us a platform dahil po sa suporta nyo at pakikinig nyo sa amin. Meron kaming opportunity to explore, to be ourselves, and to express what is in our hearts. And ang mapapangako po namin is quality. We will give our best. We will be excellent in everything that we're doing, and we just hope to give value to you because you deserve that.
And also, kung sa mga Juanistas dyan, kung wala naman kayo, kumbaga yung music namin, nasa amin lang eh. Pero kayo talaga yung nagsispread ng music namin. So maraming salamat for sharing our music, sharing your stories with it. Nakikita naman yung mga contents nyo on TikTok na super nakaka-relate kayo. So maraming salamat also for believing in us. And yun.
We love you, Juanistas.
Love you.
We love you.
Yes, taray. And I'm sure they love you back. Yes, ganun yun.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Two-way street. Two-way
Walang
street.
situation.
Yes, and we're so happy that you guys were able to join us here
Yay!
on
Yes,
the
thank
Ripple.
you.
Maraming
Yeah.
salamat. Of
Thank you
course,
very
we
much.
have
Woo!
Carl, Japs, RJ, and Kyle. Thank you so
Next
much.
week ulit.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oh,
Isa pa.
pero-
Part
Bukas
2.
ulit.
Part
Pwede
2.
ba?
Mamaya na. But thank you guys.
Yay!
And thank you to everybody listening, right? Make sure to stream, of course, the Juans and their newest single, Ano Ba Talaga Tayo? And all of their future and past music. Nandun na din kayo. So make
Yes.
sure
Yes.
to listen
I-playlist
to it.
nyo na.
Oh, tama. This is the Juans. Make sure to listen to that. So thank you guys. Maraming salamat. And yeah, this has been Sam.
And Nico.
Thanks guys. Bye.